Hey, concrete lovers! Ever heard of self-healing concrete? It's like magic for your structures. Exploding head. Imagine cracks fixing themselves, making your buildings stronger and lasting longer. Flex biceps. That's exactly what self-healing concrete does. It's like giving your concrete superpowers. Woman superhero. There are different ways to make concrete self-heal, from tiny capsules filled with healing agents to bacteria that act as living repair crews. Microbe. It's not just about strength, it's about sustainability too. Globe showing America's. Self-healing concrete means less maintenance and fewer repairs, making it a win-win for the environment and your wallet. Money bag. So next time you see a crack in your concrete, don't worry, it might just heal itself. Winking face. Hashtag self-healing concrete, hashtag concrete, hashtag innovation, hashtag sustainability, hashtag future construction.